Good evening, Masters, and good evening to Mahavatar Foundation. Good evening to Ranganath Master Garu, Brahmarshi Patreji Garu, and Old and Prakriti Mata. So, Andariki Atma Namaskaralu. So, today's topic is salads. So, salads helps us in various ways. So, it helps to maintain health of the individual. So nowadays, everyone is to take cooked foods than salads. So whenever we used to take cooked foods, there may be loss of the vitamins, nutrients, like that. So that may alter our health in some ways. So compare with the cooked foods, better to take salads. It may be useful to maintain optimum health of the individual or human being. Pallavi Madam Garu, is it clear, Madam?
Yeah, ma'am. You can tell little fast also, no problem.
Okay, Madam. So, first we will see the salad. A salad means the dish which consisting of mixed ingredients. So, frequently vegetables and fruits. The word salad comes from the Latin word sal, which means salt. So in most of the salads, we used to add salt and pepper for getting taste. So today I am going to discuss about you masters 2 salads, which may be helpful, refreshing in the summer days, and very easy to prepare at the home, and it may help to maintain the health of the children and elders also. So first we will see the tomato and cucumber salad. So what are the ingredients we may require for preparation of the tomato cucumber salad? We will see now. So first we have to take 2 tomatoes, then 1 cucumber and 1 small red onion. 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber and 1 small onion red color. Then we have to take 1 tablespoon of the olive oil and lemon juice. Then cumin powder. So that means jeera powder, which may help for digestion. Then salt and pepper to add taste for the salad. Then fresh coriander leaves. This is optional. As per your taste, you can add it or you can omit. So first you have to cut the tomatoes like a round slice, then cucumber also, then onion also. Then you have to take small bowl, then mix all 3 items in a bowl. Then you have to add sprinkle olive oil like a 2 ml or 1 ml. Very small amount you have to take. Then you have to take lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Then you have to add salt, pepper and cumin powder in that vessel. Then you have to slowly move the vessel for up and down. Then there will be much mixing of all these things. Then you have to keep for 10 minutes aside. Then you have to take it. Now we will see the what are the benefits cucumber, then tomato. So cucumber, if we'll see, it has 95% of the water. So it may helpful for maintaining hydration of the individual. So during summer season, many individuals are used to exposure more sunlight, and there may be chances of getting dehydration. So better to take this salad means it may helpful for the hydration of the patient. Then another benefit is antioxidants. So this salad have the 95% of the antioxidants, which helps the risk of the cancer and the heart diseases and other chronic illnesses like diabetes mellitus, like that. Then this have the high in vitamins and minerals. So like the vitamins includes vitamin C, vitamin K, and lycopene. So vitamin C mainly help to boost the immune system. Then vitamin K helps in blood clotting. Then lycopene is to fight with the inflammation. Whenever we are getting some diseases, no infection, there may be one symptom, inflammation, redness, fever, like that complaints given by the individual. So if you take this one, it may helps to fight the against the inflammation. Then another benefit is to maintain blood sugar level within the normal limits. So if anybody is suffering with this diabetes mellitus, no, we can advise this salad. So it may helpful to lower the blood sugar level. Then another benefit is weight loss. So anybody is obese, like that means we can advise this type of the salad. So to reduce their weight. So this is about tomato and cucumber salad. So masters, any doubt regarding this?
After you're completing two salads, we can give the chance now.
Yes, madam. Okay, then we'll go for the second salad, that is spinach and pomegranate. So the ingredients required for preparation of the spinach and pomegranate. So first one, you have to take 2 cups of the spinach. 2 cups of the spinach and half cup of the pomegranate seeds. Then 1/4 cup of the onion and 1/4 cup of the walnuts. Then 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice and mustard oil. So lemon juice, everybody knows that it had rich in vitamin C. Then mustard oil contains omega-3 fatty acids. That's what we have to take in preparation, mustard oil. Then salt and pepper we have to take. Sorry for this, student. So shall I repeat once again? 2 cups of the spinach, half cup of the pomegranate seeds, 1/4 cup of the onion, then walnuts, then 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, then mustard oil. Then lastly, you have to take a pinch of the salt and pepper. So you have to take small vessel, then mix the spinach leaves, pomegranate seeds, and the chopped nuts. So small pieces of the nuts. Then drizzle or sprinkle lemon juice and oil. Later, you have to add the salt and pepper. So then you have to serve to the individuals for getting the health of the individuals. So benefits. What are the benefits of taking this spinach and pomegranate salad means? So it offers more health benefits to the individuals. So it also have rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, C, K, then minerals like iron, magnesium, and high fiber diet. So this can help to support the vision. Vision means eyesight. Better eye vision. We can take this salad, and it may help to improve the immunity. Then digestion. Digestion means it contains already high fiber content, so that it helps in digestion. So in this many ways, it may help the individual, the overall health being of the individual. So antioxidant powerhouse, how it will help means vitamin C, it contains the vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, which help to protect the cells from the damage. So it helps prevention of the dead cells, protect the living cells. Then may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes mellitus, heart diseases, hypertension, like that. Then vision support. Then, as I already said, that it may help for the digestion. Why? Because it contains the high fiber diet. Then it also helps to regulate the blood sugar level within the normal. Then it contains the vitamin A. It may help for the eye vision, eye health. Then C, it may help to improve immunity and for reduction of the any infection in our body. K is helpful for the blood clotting. So whenever we are getting any injury like that, no, it may help. Vitamin K helps for blood clotting. So it also helps for the heart health. So it may help for reduction of the heart attacks and the risk of the heart diseases. Thank you, madam. If you are having any doubts, please ask.
Yeah, masters, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hands. In between, we should appreciate Reddy Prabha ma'am. She is in the work. She is not missing the class, and she wanted to share the wisdom, and being in the duty, she has taken out the time, and she is giving us the wisdom. Thank you so much, Reddy Prabha ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, we should appreciate
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And she has got more enthusiasm to learn more things, and she keeps on messaging me, and she keeps even if she gets any doubts and all, she will ask me, and she will get clarified with me, and all. We keep on exchanging our wisdom as well. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.